Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Kria here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make your chain bling even more in game. Let's get right into it. Now, this video was only to show you guys how to make your diamond shine more or your chain shine more. But the next step is to export this and put it in game. Now, if this is your first time watching my channel, I have videos showing you how to export a chain and how to make it FiveM ready. If you guys want, I have a playlist on my channel that goes step by step from step 1 to step 2 to step 3, and it goes down the list. All of the stuff on that playlist is what you're gonna need to create chains using Blender and Solemn's tool. But yeah, that's only if this is your first time watching this video. So I'll leave a video link in the comments down below, or maybe even in the description of the playlist, so you guys can go and view that and see how I'm making these chains inside of Blender. All right, so when you're done modeling your chain inside of Blender, all you're gonna want to do is click on your chain, press N, go to Solemn's tools, convert to drawable model, put on the ped emissive, create shader material, and now you got the shader material. You're gonna want to scroll down, put your texture that you use for the chain, your spec, and then your bump sampler. You're gonna want to go to material preview, and as you can see, my texture is there. Make sure you embed this bump spec and the spec sampler. Now here's the setting section of this part. I am gonna make this bigger so it's more readable. Now, specular intensity, I always put to 2. Specular fall off multiplier, I always put it to 1997.7. As you can see, you're gonna really see it. Now, for specular Fresnel, 0.45 is what I use. I don't touch the bumpiness, and this emissive multiplier here is what I change on this. I never touch this, but if you're a person who loves the glow in the dark where it changes glows, and with 1 in game it won't look as bright, but if you bump this up to maybe 8, it's gonna glow a lot in game as well. But keep in mind, it might make your chain like during the night, it might make it completely unreadable as well. So I mean, you could always test out these settings right here and just export, put it in game. If you don't like it, go back and change it. Keep going down until you like the way the chain blings in game. That's the best advice I can give you guys. But yeah, now once you are done with that, if you don't like the way this like looks and you really want to see the chain, because I mean you can't really see the chain here, like, so basically it'd be your bump sampler, go from color space to non-color. Now the chain becomes visible and it still keeps this thing right here. Now, something I would recommend for sure, let's say your diamond isn't blinging too much, I'd say put this up as well as these 2 values. Now if it blinks too much, put both of these down. I say I honestly wouldn't know where to put this. Maybe just change this. But yeah, and that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make your chain bling and shine in game using Solemn's tool Blender. If you guys did like the video and I did help you out, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys for the next tutorial. Peace.